Hi everyone and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Florante. Today's video will answer some of the questions and issues that 3 people raised up. So I would like to thank Adrian Abilinde, Jen Senido, and Matthew Salvador, who actually sent in their comments, and their concern is about the SSS payment option missing from the options when you go to the USSD, which is one of the videos I have shown previously. So their question is, why is it no longer available? Well, the truth is it is still available, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you today, so you can still make your payment conveniently using the GCash USSD. So what you need to do is you just have to open your phone and type in *143 and the #, then hit the call button and then choose the number 8 and hit on reply. So that is using GCash. Once you have completed that, you will have to choose number 5, which is PAYBILLS. And then here is it actually where the change took place. So before, it's a different one, but what you'll need to do is to choose number 3. We're going to select the biller by search, and then type 3 and then hit reply. And you will just have to reply with the biller name, which is of course SSS. So you will see that SSS payment option is still here. Now the good thing is, if you have already generated a PRN, you can choose number 2. And if you are self-employed or voluntary contributor, what you'll choose is number 8. So we'll just have to choose which one is applicable for you, and then you just have to hit reply and then choose the payment type. Is it for contribution or member loan? And then you'll have to enter the payment reference number. So you just have to make sure that you have enough credit in your GCash account so that the order can be processed smoothly or can be completed. Now if you have other questions, you can leave those questions in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and at the same time, don't forget to click on that bell button as well. Again, my name is Florante, and thank you so much for watching. Make it a great day.